It's a blustery day today on the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh, a dark ride based on the Pooh Bear Disney movies and the Winnie the Pooh stories by A.A. Milne. There are a bunch of different versions of the Pooh ride. In this video, we're riding the one at Disneyland in California, but you can find other incarnations at the Magic Kingdom at Disney World, Hong Kong Disneyland, and Shanghai Disneyland. And then there's the super fancy Pooh's Honey Hunt. That's at Tokyo Disneyland, and it features more advanced animatronics and a newfangled trackless ride system. If you like these videos that we make, pretty please strike that like. Thank you so much.
Blustery day in Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey. Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I would have I am bigger.
But if they're so choosels, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Because they can't believe the shipwrecks are size. If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it. Because they guzzle up the thing you prize.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh! Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Happy birthday. Hooray! Happy birthday.
Hip, hip, hooray!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present. Present for Pooh